Hello and welcome to another video from Channel C4 and Haggis. I will keep the talking short and sweet as I'm still recovering from COVID, but thanks again for tuning in anyway. And today is an unboxing of a NocoBOOST XL 1500 amp booster pack that can do diesel, petrol and as well electric batteries. Not the main electric battery but the 12 volt one that needs to start the car. And if, like myself, you've broken down and got yourself in a tight spot, this product would suit you really well. I got this off Amazon. I'll leave a link down in the description where I got it from, and it's about 120 quid, but the prices are rising, but here we are. So here we have it, the little NocoBOOST jump starter. If you liked this video, please give a like and subscribe. Thanks again for watching. Any questions, leave them down below in the comment section and I'll do my best to get back to you. Thanks again for watching and on to the next one.